Hello, my name is Edric Alcazar and I'm a digital product specialist here at Highlands Community Charter and Technical Schools. The concept of the Highlands Brain was to be a virtual home for our staff and students to be able to collaborate, have easy access to our resources and support, and also have a translation device to be able to communicate with a variety of multiple languages in our classrooms.
Previously, it was very clunky and cumbersome, and now it's smooth, easy, and way less time-consuming.
Previously, it was very difficult and complicated, and then manually putting all those attendance where we have like 120 students in a class attending daily was very challenging.
But now it's so much easier because students come in, they know exactly what they need to do. They come in and they scan in.
Having the brain kind of changes that more to that digital format, which is one helping our students use their phones. I think that the level of, or the amount of use to the phone has increased drastically as a result of them using their phone for attendance.
I think my favorite feature is definitely the attendance. You know, it really expedites the attendance and it also allows us to not miss anybody.
My favorite feature is the staff directory. I find it very easy to be able to find all staff members' phone numbers quickly and easy.
My favorite feature is the chat. Whenever I needed to contact student, I had to go to PowerSchool, find the student's name, phone number, dialing, calling, texting, where with the Brain app, it's just one click.
Firstly, I need to mention the signing in process with Brain. It takes seconds now. It gives students also some more self-assurance while using digital technology in the classroom.
Geographical location, whatever that is, it's like them coming on campus and that being marked. I think that's definitely a step in the right direction.
I like resources because I can get classes and not cost.
I like the chat feature because I can chat with my friends and classmates in different languages.
I like the support feature because I can always get help.
I like resources because I can receive childcare at no cost.
I like news because I can always see what is upcoming.
Events because I can check in and chat with everyone who is attending.
I like attendances because I can easily check in.
The Brain has changed some of my students' experiences in terms of really elevating their digital skills.
They also use the button which is resources, and this probably is the function that changed their life.
Students are not very good with tech, and in Brain they can find tech support. It's very important for us, for digital navigators, that we can help, and with the help of Brain we can help them with tech.
I think now a lot of them are a lot more tech savvy than before, even if it's just as simple as opening up the app and scanning their ID in. I feel like just by getting this practice every single day, they feel more confident and more comfortable using their school phones.
Last week, one of our students was new arrival and they need an apartment. Just I went through the sources and I helped them to find and rent apartments. So it was easy and it's a good future.
Attendance. To me, attendance is a #1 success story.
It is, great things start with very small steps sometimes. I like how the students could communicate with each other using Brain when their messages are translated into the language of their partner.
When I open resources and show them how school can help them, they admire. They cannot believe that in one school they can receive so much help.
It's been a great experience working with our staff and students here at Highlands Community Charter and Technical Schools. We will continue building Brain to ensure that we bring as much value as possible to our users.